The Shiv Sena has launched a full frontal attack on, of all people, Sonu Sood, the actor most famously in Dabangg, who's got all the headlines in the last few weeks for becoming a one-man machine, sending thousands of migrants home from different parts of the country, including and especially in Maharashtra. Well, the Shiv Sena calls Sonu Sood a BJP puppet who is not acting alone.
कानून के हाथ और चेरी सिंह की लात दोनों बहुत लंबी हैं
भैया जी स्माइल।
नाम बहुत सुने हम तुम्हारा।
धन्यवाद।
छोटू फोटो ले फोटो।
भैया जी स्माइल।
Sonu Sood, known for his villainous roles on screen, has emerged as an unlikely superhero of it. Sonu and restaurateur Neeti Goyal have sent close to 20,000 desperate migrants home during the pandemic by bus, train and even chartered flights. But Sonu's big relief work has angered the Shiv Sena, that's part of the ruling Maha Aghadi government. In an editorial in its party mouthpiece Samna, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has hit out at Sonu Sood, calling him a BJP puppet. The Shiv Sena alleges that Sonu Sood was adopted by the BJP to be a front and that he doesn't have any credibility since he charges a fee to mouth dialogues and has portrayed negative characters in films. The editorial also alleges that Sonu Sood has been accused of charging 1.5 crore rupees to promote the BJP on social media. The Sena says that the BJP is using the actor by projecting him as a Mahatma.
हमने सिर्फ बताया कि इतना बड़ा काम जो केंद्र सरकार नहीं कर सकती, राज्य सरकार को लॉकडाउन में बहुत से प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे थे, तो एक व्यक्ति कैसे कर सकती है? अगर आपके साथ अगर कोई राजकीय यंत्रणा, कोई बड़ी ताकत नहीं हो सकती, तो आप इतना बड़ा काम नहीं कर सकते। ये अकेले व्यक्ति का काम नहीं होता।
The BJP, of course, has hit back at the Shiv Sena, saying that the Sena is getting frustrated and is deflecting attention from the failures of its own government in Maharashtra.
पूरी तरह से सभी फ्रंट पर महाराष्ट्र की सरकार विफल है और अभी उनकी विफलता सोनू सूद पर आरोप करके चुप नहीं सकती, उनको इस बात की जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी।
Meanwhile, Sena's Aghadi ally, the Congress, has come out in the actor's support.
As far as I know, Sonu Sood is a good friend of mine and he was in touch with me also. I've also arranged trains for him and all. He was trying to help the migrant workers to reach their places, as well as he's not done in Maharashtra. He has been doing in all the little states.
As Maha politics explodes over relief work, have Sonu Sood and his humanitarian gestures become a casualty of politics? More importantly, if people are being helped in their thousands, where's the space for politics at all? With Sahil Joshi in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today. And joining me live now, we have Mr. Radhakrishnan, who is the Shiv Sena chief from Tamil Nadu. No one from the Maharashtra Shiv Sena was willing to actually face any questions on this issue. We also have Shaina NC of the BJP. But before I go to the politicians, I want to bring in Madhu. She's a well-known actor and also happens to be a personal friend of Sonu Sood's. Madhu, welcome. Shaina, welcome. Mr. Radhakrishnan, welcome. But to you first, Madhu.
Thank you.
What do you feel about the Shiv Sena attacking Sonu Sood in this very unseemly manner, calling him a puppet? And I think at last count, Madhu, Sonu has managed to send in excess of 20,000 people home.
Yes. So it's not fair to call him a puppet or call him any names, because whatever may be his agenda or whatever it is the blame that we are laying on him, the ultimate truth is that the vulnerable section of our society has benefited from it.
Yeah.
People who have actually suffered this whole situation while everyone is so busy in their own life, who has paid attention to this section of society, and if he has come out and helped them and sent so many people home. So I think this is not something to be criticized. We should all come out in support, because if at a moment like this, if he is criticized, then other people who can probably come out and do something will all be so afraid, because who is ready to face this kind of a backlash and a criticism?
Yes.
So this is not the time to criticize someone who's actually come forward and done such an amazing thing. So I, being a personal friend of Sonu, I totally stand in support. And I don't think it is fair that he should go through so much of backlash and criticism at this point.
Okay, absolutely uncalled for that Sonu Sood is coming under attack. Mr. Radhakrishnan, why is the Shiv Sena attacking Sonu Sood? You know, Shiv Sena can choose to ignore Sonu Sood while he carries on his work. Why has the Shiv Sena singled out Sonu Sood to attack him and call him a puppet of the BJP? Mr. Radhakrishnan.
Well, all of a sudden, Sonu Sood showed his generosity on migrant workers. He has jumped all the way from the heaven.
Why not?
He was not seen. He was not in the picture.
Why not?
Anywhere.
Why not?
All of a sudden he came. He didn't came on his own.
Why not?
He is an actor and he is directed
not?
by BJP.
What is your problem if he's helping migrants, sir? What is your problem?
Migrants,
What is
sir,
Shiv Sena's problem?
Where did he go where did he go in April, May and all that? Uddhavji Thackeray was the first chief minister to announce that all the migrant workers will be transported to the
has Sonu
respective
Sood
states.
said anything about the Thackerays? Has Sonu Sood attacked Shiv Sena or the Thackerays? He has never said anything political about his work.
Why you should see this is a very strange incident. The government is doing all efforts to transport migrant workers
So
from
what?
Maharashtra
So
to
what
other
does that
states.
have to do with Sonu Sood?
Sonu Sood this is a strange incident. Government is there. Who is he? Government is there. What he will do if the other state doesn't allow them?
Sir,
Uttar Pradesh doesn't
sir,
allow.
sir,
Karnataka.
Sonu Sood is not breaking the law.
The migrant workers.
Sonu Sood is not breaking the law. Sonu Sood is not breaking any law by sending people home. He is doing it with all required permissions. Who are you to attack him?
No, see, who is he? See, the government is there, union government is there, the state government is there, all the governments are coordinating with
So
each other.
NGOs and
All
charities mean nothing in this country. That's what you're saying. NGOs and charities should shut up and let the governments do everything. That's what you're saying, right?
Where he got all these buses? What is the source of this income?
Why don't you ask him
Who
instead
is
of
he?
attacking him, sir?
He is the puppet. He is the person who is directed by the
Okay.
BJP.
Okay.
That's why we are telling.
I
that
want to
he
say
is,
one more
he
thing.
is the BJP.
I want to say one more thing. First of all, I have no idea if Sonu Sood is connected to the BJP or whether the BJP funds him. I have no idea about that. But what I also want to say is, even if he was a BJP supporter and even if the BJP was behind him, if he's helping people, what is your problem?
Don't have any problem, but Maharashtra
You are
Vikas-
insecure about how you
Maharashtra
performed with migrants.
all sort of relief measures. My Tamil Nadu government has requested the Uttar Pradesh government to send back Tamil migrants. So they have done immediately. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhavji Thackeray, replied, and so many thousands of Tamil migrants.
Sir,
have
why
been-
are you so
have been-
insecure? Shaina, I'm unable to understand this. You know, Madhu and Shaina, I'm unable to understand why the Shiv Sena is so prickly about Sonu Sood. What's going on here, Shaina? What am I missing?
So firstly, Shiv, this is nothing but the insecurity and inadequacy of the Maharashtra state government trying to cover up their wrongdoings by suggesting that somebody who's doing right, somebody who's a role model and who has really crossed all boundaries of caste, creed, culture and even state boundaries. This movement of Sonu Sood has gone from Kashmir to Kumari, which started off small. He has transported close to 30,000 people. I think we should applaud him and we should appreciate it. Where is the sense of political
understand.
inadequacy? This is not about center and it's not about state. If at all the Maharashtra government packed people like sardines in buses and dropped them to the borders of Maharashtra and said, fend for yourself and go to your home state.
You know,
that is nothing but inhuman.
Madhu,
and here, Sanjay Raut has the audacity to target and to say that he is a stooge of the BJP. Is this limited to the state of Maharashtra, or is this in Jharkhand? Is this in Kashmir? Is this in Tamil Nadu? In every part of the country?
Exactly.
We must applaud people who, in their individual
No, even if they don't
capacities
applaud
have
them.
come forward.
Even if they don't applaud them, Shaina.
Sir, many Industry houses are doing.
No, one second. Nobody is asking anybody to applaud Sonu Sood. Mr. Radhakrishnan, one second. I want to bring Madhu back in. Madhu, correct me if I'm wrong here.
Yeah.
Nobody is asking any politician to, do a puja to Sonu Sood or to applaud him.
No.
But the very basic as citizens that we should expect is don't attack him while he's doing good work.
Absolutely. And it is not a competition between what the government is doing and what a person or a personality
Exactly.
is doing. Today, if he helps, there are so many other people with resources and the means and the intention to come forward and help. So we don't expect all the time. Otherwise, we are always blaming our government that they are not doing something or they are doing something. Here we have a support. You should actually take his support and actually give him their support as well. If there is an
He should have
individual who has
volunteered
the
and he
means
should
or
have
resources
approached
or
the
an
government.
intention. Sometimes
should
we
have
all want to
approached
do
the
what we
state
want to do,
government
but
and
we
state
don't know how to
government.
do.
Who are
He's
you to
one
direct
person.
him, sir?
Whenever he's managed to
Let
collect
Madhu
the funds,
finish. Let Madhu
he's
finish.
gotten down there, helping people there. So he's actually helping you, the government. Instead of alienating him, they should integrate him in the system.
Exactly.
So other people feel confident to come forward and lend their support. Today, when I'm even raising my voice in support of Sonu, when my family realized that I'm going to say this, they are saying, oh my God, don't go on TV on a national platform because you don't know tomorrow you'll be trolled or you don't know what you have to face. Why should we have that kind of fear to voice our thought, to say what we feel like? And it is not a bad thing we are doing.
Absolutely.
We are helping a section of society that can be helped by us. But if you're going to shut us down by trolling or by criticizing or giving this kind of a backlash, everybody is going to sit pretty in their homes. And then the government is asking people to come forward and do various things. How can it be done? How can we garner support? How can we move forward if every step we have to fight the other aspect of this whole system?
Answer that question, Radhakrishnan.
So
it's a very
I
fair
truly
question.
feel
If
even
people
you don't
come
do
out...
puja, or if you don't honor Sonu Sood,
Absolutely,
at
Madhu,
least
you're
you don't
right,
come
you're
in the
right.
way of
Answer
such
that question,
people
Mr.
who are coming
Radhakrishnan.
forward.
Why
So
would
if we
people
come
come out
forward,
and
then
try
there
and
will be
help?
people like
Why
me
can't the
who
Shiv
won't be
Sena...
afraid, who will slowly step out forward?
Why
There are
can't the
hundreds
Shiv
of
Sena
thousands.
embrace
Many
someone
people
like
like
Sonu Sood? Why
Even
can't
if
the
there
Shiv
are
Sena
other people
embrace
who
someone like
they'll
Sonu
say,
Sood, Radhakrishnan?
I'm okay, I'm safe, my
Yes.
family is safe.
Answer.
Why take
Let me
trouble?
answer.
Answer. Madhu, let him answer.
Sonu Sood, he has come out with good intention. Nobody is subjecting his good intention.
No, you have.
But the thing is that he did not approach the state government.
No.
He didn't. He think.
I'm sorry.
No,
Why does he
government.
need to do that? He's a free citizen, sir.
Approach any competent government.
both
Why does he need to
government
approach
and
any competent government that failed in its
situation.
duty?
Tatas,
You're being
Reliance,
very irrational,
all
sir.
these corporate companies are helping the people. They have approached the government. There is a Prime Minister Relief Fund. There is a Chief Minister Relief
Mr.
Fund. And there is
Radhakrishnan,
government.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, is
To
Sonu
act-
Sood breaking any law? Is he breaking any law? It looks like the only law he's broken is the law not to
Yes, can I
embarrass
make
the Thakres and the Shiv Sena government. That is the only law it looks like he's broken, and that's why you are touchy about it.
Dave, can
Shaina, am I right? Is that what's going on here?
Look, keep aside his intent. As a citizen of this country, if he chooses to help people, we should be appreciating it to the tilt. Irrespective of whether he has political affiliations, if he's
Exactly.
pro BJP or pro or any other party, is a issue kept aside.
Correct.
Right now, he's saving humanity, and that is the way it needs to be viewed. The incompetency and sheer failure of the Maharashtra state government to help migrants, and this issue is not limited to Maharashtra. He has worked across the country, so we should appreciate it and have role models like him encouraged rather than being
So,
discouraged.
I just-
And I absolutely agree with what you're saying.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, I'll ask you a specific
Raise
question. I'll ask you a specific
on
question.
Opinion. That opinion cannot be mollified just to cover up your own insecurity.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, the theory, you can answer both Shaina and Madhu, but my question to you is, there is a theory that the Shiv Sena, first of all manner of excuses have been made saying this is Sanjay Raut's personal opinion, which is all nonsense. Nothing like this can be printed in Samna without the blessings of the Shiv Sena leadership. I simply want to ask you, we understand that Maharashtra is going through a lot of pain, and I personally and all of us support the Maharashtra government. It's a very, very difficult job at hand. My simple question is the Maharashtra government's priority to attack someone who is doing good work, or to try and amplify that good work, embrace that good work, and make an example of it? Why do you need to try and divert from the work that the Maharashtra government itself is doing?
All the people of this country will appreciate the good work done by anybody. But if a person is purposely sent to the political field, he is meeting the governor, sir. He is meeting the governor and giving a letter that he wants to help the people.
So what?
What does that have to do with anything, sir?
Why don't you meet the union minister?
So what, sir? So what?
He can enter politics if he chooses to. It's not the freedom or the prerogative of Shiv Sena to decide who goes and I who goes.
One at a time so everyone can be heard, because we are on Skype connection, so the voices get disrupted. Yes, Radhakrishnan, finish, then I'll get you in China.
So the thing is that he is an actor, and the director is BJP, and the producer is in Delhi. They can act directly. They cannot act directly. That's why this actor is being used. So that's why what I want
Let
to
me play devil's advocate.
Let them do it through the proper channel.
Mr. Radhakrishnan.
Let them do it.
Mr. Radhakrishnan. Mr. Radhakrishnan, take my question. Let me play devil's advocate. Let's play who's in the mood for a small little game. I'll play devil's advocate, and let us assume that you are right, Mr. Radhakrishnan, and that Sonu Sood is a member of the BJP. He owes his allegiance to the BJP. He's a BJP chamcha. Let's assume everything that you're saying is the gospel truth, okay? I am saying, what has he done wrong? What has he done wrong? Has he broken any law? Has he violated any protocol? Has he transgressed any regulation that has been set by the government in the state? Why are you attacking him? Let us assume he is from BJP. Now, why are you attacking him?
He wants to expose that the government is ineffective. That's what China MC is also
sir,
telling.
he is sending migrants from all different parts of the country, not just Maharashtra.
Uddhavji Thackeray, see 200 Italy walas have been transported today.
He has sent people from Odisha to UP. He has sent people from Kerala to Bihar. Why are the Thackerays feeling so sensitive to this?
They don't want to come to Tamil Nadu. They can settle very well in Maharashtra. But Tamilians living in Mumbai, they want to be there only.
I don't understand.
Very few migrants come to Tamil Nadu.
Shaina, I'll come to you, Madhu, in just a moment. But Shaina, if what Radhakrishnan is saying is correct, then Pinarayi Vijayan, Naveen Patnaik, Jagan Reddy and certain others should also be cursing Sonu Sood and abusing him right now.
Absolutely, because this is not limited to Maharashtra. Maharashtra is his home state, and he has seen the inefficiency of the state government and probably done more in the state that he belongs to. Yeah. But it's not as if he hasn't done work in the other states too, of transporting people to Jharkhand, or for that matter from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, as I first said. But the point which is important is, what is the big deal if he meets the governor? What is the big deal if he even joins politics tomorrow? That is his personal prerogative. You cannot take away the fact that an individual, a professional, is coming forward and doing good for the migrants, which is necessary. Yeah. He is helping the state machine. He is helping the state government and the central government. We cannot take that away from him. The fact is, we need many such role models, especially when we're fighting a pandemic, where state governments have sometimes fallen short, as we have seen in Maharashtra. And I cited, when you put pack people like sardines in a bus and drop them to the border of Maharashtra, that is not your duty. Your duty is to show humanity and to show that you would rise above your political one-upmanship of wanting him to take permission from the Shiv Sena for what?
Madhu, what is the message to, what is the message to the fraternity? What is the message to Sonu Sood's personal friends? What is the message to the fans of and admirers of Sonu Sood? For all the good work he's been doing. What is the message?
Shiv, I'm not, I'm not politically connected to either the Maharashtra government or the central government. Yeah. I'm not here as BJP or Shiv Sena.
Correct.
I'm here in an individual capacity as an actor representing Bollywood and as Sonu's personal friend.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know who he's meeting, governor is meeting, or he's meeting the Prime Minister or not. And I'm not even finding fault with our state government that they were meant to do this and they did not do this. I'm not taking part in any of such things. The point is, an individual, a professional, like Shaina mentioned, has come forward to do something amazing for other people. And this is the spirit we need to encourage. We are supposed to feel proud. I'm a proud actor standing here today because often we are criticized for not doing or supporting the right cause,
Correct.
for not voicing our thoughts, for not doing. Here he is somebody who's gotten down to the field. He was there physically present, seeing what is happening. He's not just lending his voice or talking in support. He's doing something.
Yeah.
Not as a politician, not as somebody who's meant to do or supposed to do. I'm just talking as an actor. He's a Bollywood actor representing our fraternity and doing something amazing for society at large.
Basically,
it definitely needs to be applauded and not questioned about his motives and agenda. That I'm not sure. And even like Shaina mentions, tomorrow if he does become a part of BJP or anything like that, people like him should be a part of the government because he has shown inclination and intention. And
so
he has
well
the
said.
substance and he's been able to do what other people are not able to do.
So well said,
definitely to
Madhu.
message to my friends and to his friends and family and friends, we are here standing feeling proud of it.
That's such a strong message from Sonu Sood's friend and an accomplished actor who is in the same industry as Sonu Sood. Mr. Radhakrishnan, the message that is being received by everyone far and wide, I imagine even reasonable Shiv Sena supporters must be feeling the same way, that anybody who is not directly connected to the Maharashtra government and doing some good work is basically an enemy of the state. That is the message you have sent out. Whether that person is from BJP, whether it's from AIADMK, it does not matter. If that person is not a part of the government and doing some good work, then they are the enemy. Mr. Radhakrishnan, that's the message you've sent out.
And Shiv, to
Nobody said he is the enemy. But a person is being misused
Shaina, let him finish. I'll come back to you.
for defaming the government. It is projected that the government is doing nothing. Government is not.
Who's projecting that? Sonu Sood has never said that.
Not accepting, sir. Karnataka
I'll come to you,
not
Shaina.
working, not migrant workers. But you don't appreciate the doctors.
No, one
That's
second.
Corporate.
No, don't shift goalposts now.
You
Don't shift
appreciate-
goalposts now. Radhakrishnan, don't shift goalposts now. Don't shift goalposts now. No, I am sorry. Sonu Sood has never attacked the Shiv Sena. Sonu Sood has never attacked the Shiv Sena. He has never said anything bad about the Thakres. What are you attacking him for?
Sir, we don't have anything against any individual. But the thing is that the people who are to be appreciated is doctors, government employees,
Who is not appreciating them?
Appreciate all those people. This
Who is
villain
not
actor, all of a
appreciating
sudden, 20,000, 25,000, he migrated.
Who is
he
not
helped to migrate
appreciating
people.
them?
It's too late now. Almost all of the migrant workers have
You're
been
grabbing for
transported to other
straws. You're shifting goalposts because you have lost the argument. Shaina, you want to add something to that?
Yeah. Today, on record, Sonu Sood has started a flight and transported people to Uttarakhand. Is the Uttarakhand government being shown in poor light, or is it him who is doing good work? What has Sanjay Raut said? He says that the BJP is trying to show us in poor light. Now, that is his allegation, to which the Home Minister, Anil Deshmukh, on record today has said actor Sonu Sood has done good work and we will appreciate anyone who takes such good initiatives, be it Sonu Sood or anyone else. Now, this is the Congress and the NCP, which are in alliance with the Shiv Sena, appreciating his work. There are other state governments which have said so. Has the centre once said that, oh, he has taken on an agenda which belongs to that of a state or the centre? This is about humanity. Please see beyond. And when Mr. Sanjay Raut makes such preposterous statements, it only shows the inefficiency, the inadequacy, and the lack of administrative skill.
I am trying to understand. I am trying to understand where was the need for this attack. My simple thing is, if the Shiv Sena had not said anything about Sonu Sood, I could have understood it. But the fact that they have attacked him, Mr. Radhakrishnan, shows that the Shiv Sena is not confident in its good work being done in Maharashtra. If there is any good work, and I'm sure there is good work being done in Maharashtra, that the Shiv Sena is not confident.
You know the comment Shiv, just very briefly, the comment Mr. Sanjay Raut made today is soon to meet the PM and become a celebrity manager of Mumbai. Is this the kind of cheap language that a person, a hero warrants?
No,
who is doing this on his...
This is not a cheap language. This is not a cheap language. See what he is. He's a journalist.
No.
Sarcasm. He was sarcastic
Please,
on
sir,
all his right.
don't give me this. He's a journalist stuff. Don't give me this. He's a journalist stuff. Sanjay Raut is a politician. He stopped being a journalist a long time ago. Don't give me this nonsense about Sanjay Raut being a journalist, please. He's a politician. He may have been a journalist in the past. He's a politician now. He's not a journalist. He runs the mouthpiece of the Shiv Sena. Please don't. I'm sorry. I am not insulting politicians. Please don't insult journalists. The two can never mix together and they should not mix together. He stopped being a journalist when he started editing Samna. Radhakrishnan, I am simply asking you, what is the Shiv Sena so insecure about? Don't you guys have confidence in the work you are doing in Maharashtra? Why can't you focus on your work instead of attacking this man? A full-page editorial on the great glowing work of the Thakres would have been a much better story and I would have appreciated it personally rather than attacking Sonu Sood.
You cannot appreciate COVID warriors. You don't find the industrialists
so please don't give us this silly rhetoric. This is silly rhetoric. Don't give me this silly rhetoric about not appreciating our COVID heroes. We do it every day here on India Today. Don't. If you don't have an answer, say you don't have an answer.
BJP, they miserably failed in all other fronts. They tried to defeat.
What does that have to do with? What does that have to do with this man? What does that have to do with Sonu Sood?
Actor, puppet person, showing this person and showing that this government is not working. Government is not doing anything for the migrant workers.
Madhu, I know you're not a politician and I appreciate the very strong words you've used today, because obviously you feel very strongly about this. I just want to end by asking you, Madhu, I'm just simply saying, are people going to come out? I don't care. I personally don't care whether Sonu Sood, if it turns out that Sonu Sood is actually connected to the Sharad Pawar's party tomorrow, it will not matter to me. It doesn't matter to me because he's doing good work. I am simply saying, on the back of something like this and appearing in the Samna editorial when the Shiv Sena is in power is a big deal. It's not a small thing.
Yes.
So I am simply saying, isn't the message here that if you have any good deeds to do, this is what may happen to you in Mumbai?
This is exactly what I'm trying to say. If I'm going to invite the wrath of Shiv Sena, today how am I going to step out of my house to do anything? Because I'm always looking, even at this simple conversation that I'm having with you, this is against my family's desire because they don't want me to go out there and speak vociferously, supporting an idea. But if this is the fear, because tomorrow I don't want trouble, but how do we come forward and be actually a human being and serve humanity? And this is truly this time in our global situation where we are called to be one and we have to drop our division. Whatever it is, the caste, creed, economic status, we are supposed to drop our divide, come together and function as one. But we don't have to face all these things because this is really not what Sonu would have expected or anybody tomorrow. If tomorrow Mr. Akshay Kumar wants to come out and do something, or if I want to come out and do something, am I going to be appreciated? I don't want you to do puja and give me Mahatma title, or I don't even want a BJP seat. But will I just be accepted and allowed a simple platform to do what I feel like doing from my heart, from my spirit and from my soul? That's all I'm asking.
Absolutely.
Or am I going to be targeted saying that tomorrow I'm aiming to be in the Congress or BJP and that is why I've come forward? And even if that is the case, if I'm coming out to do something good and then if I want to be a part of a bigger group, because a single person may not be able to do big things, if I become a part of a big functioning group and if that is my agenda, so what is wrong? If I become a part of BJP tomorrow and if I can do something great and be a cause of change and something, what is wrong?
You've described this situation and what a lot of us feel about this issue really, really perfectly, because you literally have nothing to lose here. He's your friend. You belong to the fraternity. You've seen what's been happening. You don't owe allegiance politically one side or the other. And therefore, I can feel your honesty and I can feel how much you actually emote when you see this story. And I appreciate that very much. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Shaina. Thank you, Radhakrishnan. A pleasure to have the three of you here to discuss this issue threadbare. Let's see whether the Shiv Sena doubles up and attacks Sonu Sood some more, or whether it was a single missile that they've just put out to play some politics. Thank you very much for joining me, all of you. Coming up next.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.